Minister for Employment, Productivity, Industrial Relations, the Honorable Agni Singh, Assistant Minister for Agriculture and Waterways, Honorable Tomasi Tunabura, members of the Diplomatic Corps, government representatives, Chairman, Mr. Raj Sharma, and the board members of Copra Millers, the coconut farmers and your families, recipients of this inaugural President's Award for Coconut Farmers, ladies and gentlemen. I am indeed pleased to be here with you today as the chief guest for this inaugural awards presentation. I'm honored to be part of this celebration to appreciate the hard work and dedication of the farmers who have tirelessly supplied copra and replanted copra trees, working to ensure that there is consistent and sustainable supply of coconuts or copra to our Fiji coconut millers. I'm equally honored that such award has been designed and implemented to be a motivator and enabler for a bigger, better, and efficient and competitive production of copra and coconut products. The purpose of the award is twofold. Firstly, to raise awareness of the emerging coconut products and their health benefits. Secondly, to encourage existing and new farmers to invest their time and energy in the coconut industry. I would like to commend the Fiji Copra Millers Limited for their contribution to the coconut industry in Fiji. Their efforts to introduce high-value coconut products, invest in modern equipment and machinery, and provide free coconut seedlings to farmers are commendable. They are truly an inspiration to both new and existing farmers in the industry. The essence of such award is to boost participants to work on a benchmark to supersede the expectations that have been preset. It brings out the best in participants. In this case, farmers, and they in turn can share their knowledge and expertise with the ultimate aim of promoting and improving the industry. Awards such as this boosts the company's worth and reputation and celebrates hard work that makes people, again in our case farmers, feel appreciated and well respected. Today, I am certain there are a lot of success stories, and I will take time to meet all the farmers and hear these stories and their incredible journey. I understand that this journey has not been an easy one, as there would be challenges that we face from the environment, global issues, and other effects that has hindered our commitment to the achieving of the greatest deal or to being the Farmer of the Year. Equally important is the inclusion of the Best Women Farmer of the Year and Best Youngest Farmer of the Year. Why not? We are here to empower and support the contribution of our women folk and the younger generation. Our collective appreciation and acknowledgement will bring positive motivation to participants of these important categories. The women and young farmers that have participated shall collect their awards today, a testament that farming is a universal activity and they are playing a central role in contributing to positive change and the global drive to help alleviate the world of hunger. My well wishes to each one of you, and I offer my wishes for the continued success of the Fiji Copra Millers Limited, from the farmers to your families, to the board, the senior management and staff, to the sponsors and stakeholders of the coconut industry in Fiji. Congratulations once again to today's awareness, and may God bless you and may God bless Fiji. Maivalili.
Wow.